Okay guys, here's one more video for you. Just chilling out here on the rock. As you can see, we're pretty high up. The view here is absolutely beautiful. So, nice easy day. We had some vultures that circled us earlier. Everybody's chilling. Mom's over there taking 5 million photos for Instagram and Snapchat. So, lazy day on the river for sure. There's a train that came through just a little bit ago, which is cool. Yeah, difficulty on this trail, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It's right off of 19 before you get to the bridge. Yep, so you guys get a chance, get out here, do some exploring for real. Peace.